Tweya made these remarks during the opening of a 6-day workshop focusing on the mining and energy sectors. The workshop, organized in collaboration with the Committee on Economic and Public Administration, aims to bring together various stakeholders to foster discussions and devise strategies for maximizing the potential of these sectors.
Those that have been invited, we appreciate you may have got your 5-year strategic plan. Yes, that is for tomorrow. You are not being paid what would happen tomorrow. You are being paid today and yesterday. You first tell us where we are today, before you give us lecture about the strategic plan of 5 years. That 5 years may never come. You account now because you are being paid for now. The question is, this sector has got huge potential. How can we unlock this sector so that it plays its role to yield prosperous for its citizens? We cannot outsource this resource, sell out. It shall belong. The fathers and mothers who wrote this constitution were very clear that we are going to liberate Namibia with everything in. And therefore, it must be owned by Namibia through the state.
Highlighted that there is an ongoing and significant debate in Namibia around the ownership of the country's highly valued mineral resources. And this workshop, he says, provides an opportunity to openly address this topic and engage in meaningful discussions. The SWAPO Party MP pointed out that the existing mining laws are excluding small-scale miners from actively participating in the sector.
At the moment, in terms of our legislation, we are kicking those people out and say, you are now mining illegally because you don't have an EPL. But from their forefathers, grandfathers, they've been doing this small mining. And they've been making a living out of that. But today, they are kicked out and say, you don't have an EPL. Is this what the Constitution envisaged? No. The law does not accommodate them. It's our responsibility. This is why they are crying. You go there and you tell them, sorry, it is the law. Now they cry and say, yeah, it is you, our representatives, making these laws to make us even more poorer. They have got a case to make. We therefore have to listen to them. Even if the executive through the minister makes 100 or 200 ministerial statements about the law, the reality is they are not catered for.
Mines and Energy Minister Tomal Wendo is of the opinion that the discovery of natural resources such as oil in Namibia has the potential to be a blessing for the country.
For it to be a blessing depends mostly on our policy environment, especially our institutional and also our political aspects of it. It has been proven that countries with strong institutions, a stable political system, and an effective legal framework, those are the countries where they were able to manage their oil revenue with a positive impact on their economies and for the benefits of their citizens.